Hello boys and girls, and welcome to the Math Club. In this video, we're going to talk about recurring decimals and how to answer questions about recurring decimals. Now, as you can see here in question 7, work out 0.6 repeated or recurring multiplied by 24 pounds. Now, first we have to find the fraction for this recurring decimal and then multiply it by 24. Now, to find the fraction for a recurring decimal, there are two ways of doing this. There's the easy way, which is the short way, and there is the long way, and it's not hard, it's easy, but you have to understand the steps. Now, to work out this, we can do the easy way or the long way, depending on the question. If the question needs the steps, we will put the steps. If the question doesn't ask for the steps, if he doesn't need to show your work, you just put the fraction itself. Now let's use the easy way first, and then I will explain the hard way, or the long way, I'm sorry. Now, 0.6, when you find one dot of a recurring decimal, it means you put a fraction like this, and you put 9 under it. So this is happening all the time. So you put fraction and 9. So if you find one dot, it means fraction 9. Very good. And then you take this number, which is the 6, and put it on the top. So 6 over 9. And this is the fraction of this recurring decimal. So if it's one dot, you put 9. If it's two dots, you put 99. If it's 3, you put 999. Very good. And whatever the number after the decimal point, which is recurring, you put it on the top of the fraction. That's it. And then we multiply it by 24 pounds to get the answer. Now, to do this, we need to use the calculator, in which we multiply 6 by 24 and then divide it on 9. Let's go and check with the calculator and then come back. So we say 6 multiply 24 and then we divide it on 9. So the answer is 16. Now let's go back. So the answer for this question is 16 pounds. We say it's 16 pounds. And this is the answer for this question. So how did we do this? We found the fraction of the recurring decimal, which is this one, and then we multiplied it by 24 pounds. We got 16 pounds. And this is the short way of finding the fraction of the recurring decimal. Now let me show you the long way, and both of them are easy. Let's erase this, and I'll show you the long way of finding the recurring decimal of a number. Okay, let's use the space here. First, we say 0.6 with a dot on it means what? It means 0.666, and it goes on, okay? With 3 dots, yes. Now, this means what? It means it goes on. 6 doesn't stop. Now, the second step, we say this number is equal to n. Good. And then we make a line like this. Now, because we have one dot here, we're going to multiply by 10, okay? Remember this. If we have two dots, we multiply by 100. If we have 3 of them, we multiply by 1,000. Now we come here, we say n equals 0.666, and it goes on like this. Now we multiply by 10 here, and we multiply this by 10. So the answer will be, yes, we put a line here, So we have 10n let's put it on the top so we can use the whole space. Here we say here, sorry, 10n equals, when you multiply this by 10, what do you get? Very good, 6.6, and it goes on. Good. So we write it here. It's gonna be 6.666, and it goes on. Good. The next step is we minus n from both sides. So we say minus n here, minus n here. So the answer will be, very good. Here we have 9n equals, and here 6.666 goes on minus this, which is n, as we said, equals what? Very good, equals 6. So it equals 6. Now we find n by taking the 9. The 9 is multiplied here, so I take it to the other side by dividing. It's going to be what? Very good. So n equals 6/9. And this is the fraction of 0.6 with a dot of recurring decimal on it. And then we take 6.9 multiplied by 24 like we did, and the answer will be 16. Same idea. I hope you understand the idea. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.